morning, LKG. How are you? I am fit and fine. It was a lovely weather today, so I thought I'll do the recording in the garden today. आज हम एक fun activity करेंगे, which is on sink and float. Now, what is sink? Something that goes in the water, goes down in the water is sink. And something which remains on the surface of the water is float. What I did, I took a bucket, filled it 3/4 with water, collected a few items from here and there in the house, and then I made two sheets, float and sink. And the ones which I think sink, go down, I drew them here. And the ones that I think float, I drew them on this sheet. After that, what we will do, we will see whether they sink or float. Please bring the camera here. Let us start with a plastic bottle. It's an empty plastic bottle. It floats. It remains on the surface of the water. Now, what about the egg? Will it go down or will it float? Oh, look, it went down. I think the tomato also will go down as it is heavy. See, it went down. But oh my God, look at that. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's floating in the water. Then the lemon should also float. It went down and see, it came up. It's floating. What about the potato? Potato went down, so potato sinks. And the katori, it floats. But when we fill it with water, it goes down. There were flowers that had fallen in my garden. Flowers are floating. And now I had these Angry Bird toys. Let's see whether they sink or float. Oh, look at that. It's floating. So, similarly, we can collect a lot of things and check whether they sink or float. How about this toy car? It's heavy. I think it should go down. See, it went down. So, it sinks. Keychain sinks. What about the spoon? Sink. Similarly, lot of things we can see whether they sink or float in our day-to-day lives also. While taking a bath, the soap sinks. The loofah, it floats. And there are so many other examples. So I wish that you will do this activity at home with your parents and enjoy it. Another thing, today at night, we will see the super moon. It's 8th of April and the biggest moon of 2020 will be visible tonight. So make sure you go on the terrace of your house and see the sky with your parents. Bye-bye. Have a good day.